If you're an entrepreneur preparing to launch a new business, or looking to get legal cover for your existing business in Pakistan, then you should learn how you can get your business registered before moving forward. It's important to understand that your business must be registered properly and comply with tax regulations in order for it to be legal. You can get many benefits by registering your business, such as all legal aspects of the business and its owners are better documented. Your business gets a legal cover and a formal structure. You can enjoy better access to formal financing. You are in a better position to pursue legal consequences in case of breach of contract. You can participate in industry support initiatives such as exhibitions and trade fairs being offered by the government, or large private companies. Before going through with the registration process, it is important to decide which business structure suits you best. For this purpose you should consult an accountancy or legal expert. Legal business structure options for SMEs are sole proprietorship, partnership firm, company limited. The decision about which business structure suits you best will be known based on factors such as nature and size of business, flexibility of operation, costs of registration, compliance requirements, tax benefits, reporting requirements. And objective of business. Now let's look at business registration procedures. Let's start with sole proprietorship. Sole proprietors are not legally required to register their businesses. However, they are usually required to have a national tax number, commonly known as the NTN, to conduct business with other businesses. You can obtain your NTN from the Federal Board of Revenue, FBR. There are no costs associated with applying for NTN as a sole proprietor, and the procedure generally takes 7 to 10 days. Next is firm registration. Registering a partnership firm provides your business with tax benefits and a legal cover. Excluding any lawyer's fee if applicable, a firm registration process costs around Rs 1100, and takes around 10 to 15 days to complete. There are 5 steps to register a partnership firm. Step 1. Drafting of partnership deed on a stamped paper of Rs 1000. Duly signed and stamped by Oath Commissioner and Notary Public. Step 2. Payment of challan of Rs 100 to National Bank of Pakistan, NBP. Step 3. Preparation of Form 1, which includes declaration of name of firm, office address, particulars of partners and 2 witnesses. Step 4. Submission of Form 1 along with a copy of partnership deed and original receipt of challan to the Office of District Registrar of Firms. Step 5. Issuance of Certificate of Registration of Firm. Finally, let's look at company registration. A key benefit of registering a company is that the owner of the business enjoys limited liability for the business debts. That is, the owners are liable for debts only to the extent of their shares. The company is an individual and separate legal entity from its owner. The registration process for a company costs approximately Rs 1200 to 2500, excluding any lawyer's fee. It takes 10 to 15 days to register a company. 5 steps to register a private limited company. Step 1. Filing of application, on plain paper for availability of name, to the Registrar of Companies of Security Exchange Commission of Pakistan. Receipt of challan of Rs 500, deposited in MCB, or Rs 200 in case of online submission of application. Step 2. Upon receiving the Certificate of Availability of Name, 4 copies each of Memorandum of Association and Article of Association are to be submitted to Security Exchange Commission of Pakistan, within 90 days from the date of issuance of Certificate of Availability of Name, along with filled application forms. Step 3. Submission of forms. Form 1 includes declaration of applicant for compliance. Form 21 includes notice of situation of registered office of the company. Form 29 includes particulars of first directors of the company. Step 4. Original receipt of challan of Rs 2000, and in case of online submission Rs 1000, deposited in MCB, must be attached with the above-mentioned documents. These documents need to be submitted with the Registrar of Companies of Security Exchange Commission of Pakistan within 90 days from the date of issuance of Certificate of Availability of Name. Step 5. Issuance of Certificate of Incorporation by the Registrar of Companies. For more details,